Off-roading can be hard on your body, so why not treat yourself to some comfort with a suspension seat from Simpson Racing. Suspension seats cushion your tush and help absorb the jumps and bumps of off-road terrain. Simpson suspension seats are constructed utilizing a steel tube frame with ripstop liner that's suspended using tensioned cords and 3 different densities of foam. This allows controlled movement, absorbing the shock that's placed on the occupant and offering a much smoother ride than a basic foam-only seat can. Designed to keep you and your passengers safe and comfortable, Simpson offers universal seats and benches with laser-cut model-specific mounting kits for most side-by-sides, allowing you to bolt them in and go, so there's no cutting, drilling, or fabrication required. And even if you don't have a side-by-side, Simpson suspension seats are the perfect way to upgrade any off-road vehicle. Simpson suspension seats can be used with the factory seatbelt, but for the ultimate in safety and protection, consider adding a set of 5-point harnesses. Adding a 5-point harness to your ride will keep you more secure and lessen the chance of injury should you have a mishap. Built-in pass-throughs in the seat backs allow for proper shoulder belt alignment. And if you're using a 5-point harness, there's a convenient loop sewn into the front of the seat cushion that keeps your anti-sub belt off the floor and at your fingertips to make getting strapped in even easier. If you're looking to upgrade your Polaris 200, 170, or 150 with style, our Aggressor off-road suspension seat is the perfect fit. It's a direct bolt-in replacement for the stock seats and has been engineered to provide superior comfort in conjunction with a 5-point harness. And they're available in several color options to complement your ride. Our Pro Sport seat was engineered for superior fit, function, and comfort, all while keeping the mounting position as low as possible in the vehicle. The Pro Sport is available in a variety of color combos and has a wider shoulder area to accommodate those broad shoulders. A matching bench seat is also available to finish off upgrading your 4-seater. The Pro Sport's universal mounting slots allow it to be used in UTVs, buggies, Jeeps, and most any off-road vehicle. Simpson's Vortex II off-road suspension seats provide superior containment while offering more legroom, better steering wheel clearance, and easy entry and exit thanks to the low bolster design. Our laser-cut mounting kits are designed to mount the Vortex II as low as possible and work with your factory side-by-side sliders. Vortex II seats come in a variety of color options and are available in either bucket or bench configurations. And who says you have to rough it? Simpson offers additional creature comforts like our seatbelt pads and seat heaters to extend your off-road adventures, so there's no more excuses. To upgrade your ride with a suspension seat or to see our full line of safety equipment, visit us at Holley.com.